There will be a gap between each spoken phrases, so please read aloud after the narrator. Please join in. Thank you very much.
ありがとうございます。
I understand.
わかります。
I don't understand.
わかりません。
Excuse me. I'm sorry.
すみません。
Where is?
は、どこですか？
Where is the toilet?
トイレは、どこですか？
Okay, now here is a quiz to recap what you have learned today. How would you say the following phrases in Japanese? I don't understand.
わかりません。
Thank you very much.
ありがとうございます。
Where is?
は、どこですか？
I don't understand.
わかりません。
Excuse me. I'm sorry.
すみません。
Where is the toilet?
トイレは、どこですか？
Thank you for watching. Next time, we'll learn 5 more phrases for travelers. Don't forget to subscribe. If you are interested in Japanese culture, realities of life, and hot topics in Japan, have a look our other channel. You can find the URL in the description.